Hey, what's going on, guys? Professor NFT here. So before we get into this, remember, this is not financial advice and you should always, and I mean always, do your own research. Okay, so one NFT I'm really bullish on in the Solana blockchain is Danger Valley Ducks. Okay, so one reason is because they have staking coming soon, which means we will see a decrease in the supply that will bring up the price of the NFT. I personally own one of these, to be honest with you. One of the main reasons as well was because the art to me, it just looked incredible and the team was really helpful in the Discord chat, which I'll show you in a moment. But before I do, let's go on ahead and go on Soul Sniper and take a look at the past day. So a couple days ago, you won't see it here on Soul Sniper, the price was below 1 SOL, but you see on the graph on the 9th, it was at around 1.4 to 1.5. Now it did increase a significant amount, but it did dip back to a 1.6 floor price. But to be transparent here, I see a perfect buying opportunity still. I still see this going up to 5 SOL. And on Magic Eden here, we see it's a total listings are 1,050. Okay, so as well as we check out the activity here, we see how constant the sales are and how the volume is increasing as well, which is always a good sign. So let's go hop on the Discord here, and now we see they recently had an AMA, and in that AMA, that's where they said staking will be available before January ends. So if you're interested in buying one, go ahead and check out their Discord here. Okay, so the second one I want to show you guys here is Dino Kings. So I'm bullish on this one as well because of what they're doing. So they currently hold the Dino DAO wallet. With that, the community will vote on which blue chip or other NFTs to buy, and so far they have delivered. Let's take a look here at the Discord and I'll show you what they have gotten. So let's go over here. So you see the current Dino DAO collection is, they have a Portals, they have a Stone Ape crew, they have a Turtles, and they have a Baby Ape Social Club. Okay, and so let's go ahead and look at the roadmap as well. So what I really liked was actually phase 4. So with that, so with all those NFTs they bought in, it's pretty much by using that protocol in Solana blockchain, they will fractionalize the blue chip NFTs. By fractionalizing the NFT, it lowers the barrier to entry into blue chips and allows our members to hold an equal fraction of that NFT. Once the fractionalization process starts, the NFT will be locked in a vault and tokens will be distributed to holders, which provides ownership. So that's one really good thing as well. I'm holding this. I currently have one as well. I'm holding as well, but I see this going to 5 SOL. They keep delivering the way they are. So currently they're at 1.99. So that's all for me. So by tomorrow, I'm going to start making an Excel sheet so I keep track of all the NFTs we are going to go through. And go ahead and join my Discord group here. It's a free group where we could all flip NFT together, and we could help each other out as well. So you guys have a great one, and I'll see you then.